So this is my Influencer Voxbox by Influencer Pat McGrath. Pat McGrath, that's how you say it. And this is her Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Concealer System. And it's the system because it comes with the Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Concealer, which is a lightweight, creamy, full coverage concealer formula that seamlessly conceals and brightens under eye circles and skin imperfections without creasing or setting into fine lines, all while providing a sublime natural finish. And then this box also comes with a Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder, a transparent, weightless powder that sets under eye concealer, brightens dark circles, and blurs the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And then the third thing and final thing that comes in this box is a Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Concealer Brush. The unique angle shape allows for intuitive, effortless concealer application and exquisite control to ensure seamless blendability and superb different shades that is in here that you can see on these flaps here. This is the light to medium. Then you have over here the medium, deep, and then deep. Yes. And I know she has a foundation. I have not tried the foundation just yet, but I am really interested to try that too. So these products by Influencer, which is a company that I work with that sends me different products from different brands to test out and try, so for free. And it's usually products that have just recently hit the market or about to hit the market, but they're usually new on the market. This is the concealer brush, and I love it because it's very compact and you can really get in the under eye area very well. This is the concealer, and I have this in M17. So let's see we can swatch here. So that's what it looks like on my hand there. And I love these applicators. They're very easy to deal with and apply on the set area. But yeah, that's one. And then last but not least, this is the powder, and I got this in medium. So this is what I'm going to set my under eye. Let's actually put everything on. the concealer for at least 5 hours so far. I am loving, I love how it's set, and it's pretty full coverage, I will say. I also love the powder. It's very, very light loaded. Like it sat into my skin and it didn't just attach to my dry patches because I have dry skin. So I think that's a double thumbs up for that. And then I felt like the color that they gave me, that I chose from just looking at pictures of what I felt would work for me, was spot on. So yeah, I'm loving it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment box. Do you like how it looks and everything? Do you like how the powder applied? Do you love the brush? I think the brush is perfect for under eye, and I think it's really great to set it in place. What I will say is that I did use, of course, my sponge to blend out the rest of the product out more, because first of all, I love to use a damp sponge to really allow my concealer to blend into my skin effortlessly. And to me, I feel like the brush was awesome. Like I said, under eye, it just didn't blend as I wanted it to on the outside. So it was great to press into the skin, but blending out completely, I feel like with a little brush like that, took a little more time. But maybe she does have like a bigger brush, or will create a bigger brush, and I feel like if so, then it would probably allow the time to be cut in half. But because of it being smaller, compact, it did take a little longer, I feel, to blend out, and just didn't have time for that. So I used my sponge, and I usually use a sponge anyway to blend out, but a damp sponge at that. So yeah, but I love how it blended out. It looks very pretty. I just applied my other face products on top. If you want to see a foundation routine, let me know in the comment box and I can do one for you. I have used some other products to really get this face to look awesome. So if you're really interested, definitely let me know in the comment box, and let me know, have you purchased this yet? Interested in it? Do you like again how it's set on my face and the overall finish? And like I said, this is really, really pretty. Like I said, I really was impressed, especially with even the powder, because powder's attached to my dry patches. So that's, sorry, it's just amazing. And then I even just used it, of course you saw other spots too, and it's perfect. I love it. So definitely check her out if you are interested, you know, and see what you love about it. But yes, I'm Anya Sade, and thanks so much for watching. Again, if you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. See you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.